In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Dropbox link. Whether you're a Dropbox novice or an experienced user looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Sharing files with Dropbox is a great way to ensure your documents can be accessed seamlessly by anyone you choose, without the hassle of large email attachments. To begin, let's navigate from your Dropbox homepage. After logging in with your credentials, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. It's a hub for all your files, folders, and activities, providing you quick access to your stored documents. From here, our goal is to access the All Files tab. You can find this tab along the left-hand menu of your homepage. Clicking this option reveals all files you have stored in your Dropbox account, nicely organized and ready for any action you wish to perform. Now, let's locate the specific file or folder you wish to share. This could be a treasured family photo, a crucial work document, or any file of your choice. Once you find the item, direct your attention to the three small dots positioned beside the folder or file name. These dots represent additional options you can take with each file or folder. Go ahead and click on these three dots. Now you will see a drop-down menu with several options. Among these choices, the one we're interested in is the Create a Link option. Dropbox has made it simple to generate a shareable link that you can send to others. This feature is a lifesaver when it comes to collaborations or simply sharing files without cumbersome downloads. After you've selected Create a Link, the next step is to copy this link for sharing. In the same drop-down menu, you'll find the option to Copy Link. A single click here will copy this shareable link to your clipboard. Finally, once you've copied the link, a confirmation pop-up appears. This pop-up serves as both verification and a final touchpoint to ensure you're sharing the right file. That's it. You now have a shareable Dropbox link. You can paste this link into an email, a messaging app, or any communication platform of your choosing. Your recipient won't need a Dropbox account to view or download the file, making this method incredibly versatile and convenient. Sharing through Dropbox not only enhances collaboration, but also keeps your files secure and easily accessible. Repeat these steps anytime you need to share files from your Dropbox account and make the most of this powerful cloud storage tool. Thank you for watching, and happy sharing.